before we 8:30. You know, we're
Yeah, what a friggin' just starts. Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday, 9:29, 20 seconds in. Man, me and Cowboy are just now sitting down to the computers. We're a little bit late here, so we're still kind of trying to digest what the heck even happened last night. Where the heck did we have the fall off? 9:26. What is today's date? Oh my God. All right, so yesterday we fell off the cliff. We kind of had a little bit of a W, popped up a little bit, stabilized a little bit, never broke this green line, and then just dropped right back down.
what a pump.
Hey, morning driving obsession. Good to see you, sir. I know, Mr. Cowboy here is getting all antsy because he called this double bottom, and here it is ripping right in front of us. Man, I mean, look at that. Looking at that, that really does look gorgeous. Boom, boom.
Good
795. The
morning,
only thing
driving
is
obsession. Good to see you here, buddy.
we've been selling off so aggressively though.
Yeah, we have.
What is the rest of the market doing? Where is Nvidia? Wow. Nvidia just dropped down big. Qs, what are Qs doing? Man, sorry gang. Again, this is why I need to be here early. Here I am messing with charts and stuff. I'm like, all right, let's slowly get into this thing. People don't want slow, they want fast. All right, what is VIX doing? Huh. We are at a pivot point right now as well. Why so quiet here? Hey, Charles, morning, bud. I know, man. Honestly, it's because we literally just logged on, and I was still trying to like, man, I haven't even looked at the charts. I haven't even looked at anything. I'm just now trying to see like what is Q's doing, what is Nvidia doing, what is VIX doing right now. We're looking at all of our. Oh my God, why is nothing working anymore? That's frustrating too. Nope. Nope. Yep. All right, that looks a little better. We need to put we need to put a show, not a memorial. Charles, you silly man. All right, hold on, sir. I know you pay good money for this. Good money for this stream. We're trying to get it up to your. Oh my God, what is it doing? Can't even get the right. Oh wait, actually that is the right screen, right? Because I don't show that other screen anymore. And we're back. Shit. Oh, all that screwing around. Sorry, gang. Man, you were right, sir. You were right. There's 100 points right there. Kaboom. Nvidia is starting to turn a little green. VIX is starting to go down. Qs is starting to pop up. ES is starting to do a W recovery just like we are. We're kind of in a
Yeah, I mean, you look at the 5. It's a nice candle on the 5. It's nice and slow. You look at the 1 minute, and you're gonna have a seizure or a stroke.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, look at that W right now on the 5. So we came back, we broke this shoulder, we tested this shoulder. We came up, we popped our, we did hit our 200 EMA though. So a little bit of caution there. Here's our brand new 1 minute. I'm almost considering a short right here at the 200. Let's see what kind of resistance we're getting, which now I'm just, it's too late now, but I guess now let's see
I
if
mean,
we
we gotta. I mean, I loved it at the 905s right there. Kind of our little pretend VWAP we have, but
right. Yeah, that would have been a decent short, but it's still showing strength. EMAs are curling up. Nvidia's still falling though. we wick
I
down.
mean, we need NVIDIA to find the bottom, and then we need to see a gap fill, right? And then that would be
right. Yeah, we get a real good pump back up. Which, I mean, NVIDIA really is at kind of what I'd almost consider support right now, anyways. You know, it dropped back down to the low of. I know it's hard to see, but right here, we're basically battling this low, the 179s, 119s.
Oh yeah. And my next pivot point isn't until 177.86. So.
Yeah. Form a little bull flag on the 1 minute. Here's our new 5-minute candle, though. Let's see what VIX decides to do.
20 points.
Ooh, Greg, today let's try to hold a trade for at least 60 seconds. That should be our goal for today.
Charles is calling us out.
Charles with the call out. I don't hate it. I don't hate it, Charles. You're probably right.
Oh.
I know.
I wanted to punch it at the 9, but I wasn't sure.
I know. It's hitting the 180s here. I know. I just don't want to have what happened friggin' yesterday. Where we're just chasing longs the whole time while it's shorting, you know?
I mean, NVIDIA's still trying to push down lower now, so.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, she is. Huh. VIX looks like it's a good spot for it to go up. Oh, man. I'm going to try a short right here. I'm going to try the bottom of that shoulder, the 827s. So it's 936.28. At 937.28, Charles will allow me to take this trade off. Come on, Charles. We were up $7 and I almost took it.
Give it to us.
I almost took it at 7, Charles.
Oh, we're gonna have to give him a countdown clock when it starts, a little, like a shot clock.
Right. Well, we've held for 40 seconds now. I don't know if it's the right thing though. Now it's starting to look a little bullish instead. Charles, I should have took it at $7. I had my chance, Charles. You screwed up my trade. Last hour we closed above yesterday's low, and this 9 a.m. hour is holding the line. Well, let's hold the line and go down to 927.
I mean, I like that fast wick up and then it pushed straight back down.
Yeah. I don't like that I've held this longer than 60 seconds.
Totally
bring that stop down.
Look at that. Look at that.
Come on, damn it.
Oh, this is way more entertaining, Charles.
Charles! There you go. 70
content.
seconds.
Look,
70
Greg,
seconds.
Look, Greg.
$8 up on the day. God damn it, Charles. You should have told me to hold it for 2 minutes, Charles. If I had held for 2 minutes, I could have done so much better. Is that my fault?
We did it, Charles. We got him.
We did it, bud. We did it. We did it, Charles.
We got Greg's feet wet.
Charles is dying over there. Oh, he was calling me. I was like, who the heck is calling me? I ignored him twice. He hasn't called me yet.
716
300 2692.
What?
Huh?
You just said his phone number on live.
What? On live what? Let's see.
Charles said, this just made my day, no cap.
That's so funny, man. Sorry, that was we got my kiddo a phone. It's a little tiny, like
Oh,
not an iPhone or anything like that. He's a 7-year-old, right? But he still wants to call like grandparents and things like that. So
yeah.
there's this little tiny phone that looks like a phone that we were used to, from back in the day. That is literally the brand name is called Tin Can, and it looks like a plastic tin can, that you'd call your buddies at. You'd put the little
Oh,
tin can with a
nice.
little line on it, right? So that's what it is. It's actually like a corded phone. It's still wireless, but it's a corded phone. You have to pick it up. You have to actually punch the numbers and stuff like that. He can only punch. You have like you can put your specific numbers in there that he's allowed to call and they're allowed to call him. But
Oh, yeah. Cool.
yeah, super cool. All right, so what are we thinking? We got a little bit of a bull flag here, which did pop off pretty good. Nvidia's finding support. VIX is finding support as well, though. ES is falling down. Qs is falling down. Well, there's a confusing thing.
Oh, Charles.
Dude, I'm not lying. I'm literally tearing up from laughing. Charles. Man, you saw like 60 seconds of emotion go through me too. You saw the anguish, you saw the excitement, you saw the trepidations. You saw it all live on the YouTubes.
But yeah, we just put Greg on the show Fear Factor.
Literally, man. Literally, man.
That was his worst nightmare.
Don't
He
ask
couldn't exit
a
a
man to
trade.
hold his trade. Don't ever ask a man to hold his trade for longer than 60 seconds, Charles. Jesus. Could you imagine if I had your heartbeat monitor? How funny would that have been?
Oh yeah, we got to do that.
The heartbeat just goes through the roof.
Do you
Charles
have a
just
smartwatch? That's what I use.
Yeah, Charles is dying laughing as I get cardiac arrest in my chair. You're gonna be my life
Charles
alert,
said you have to
Charles.
clip that video. Yeah, we got to put that on there.
Yeah.
There's your next content.
Sink or swim. Sink or swim. He was able to hold it for 60 seconds and profited $8. This is what dreams are made of. This is what dreams are made of, boys.
Oh shoot.
All right, so popped up, popped down, popped up. I mean, in all honesty, we could just stop the stream right now. This is my 4th green day in a row.
Yeah, that's a wrap, guys.
Charles, you led to my 4th green day in a row. It's time for us to call it quits. But yeah, man, look at that. I actually did survive at 858. I held it all the way to 891, so that was kind of an absurdly big stop.
I'm gonna try one right there, just on that wick. I'm just gonna put my stop below. It's kind of crazy, a little dangerous.
Yeah, man, because it's looking so weak. That's a good-looking candle, though. It's 942. We're sitting at this massive shelf here at 850s. Big old shelf.
I'm counting in my head, Charles. 11, 12.
Ha! Oh no! Charles is targeting the low 7s. Uh-oh.
Oh, all right, it stopped me out already. I just saw that big pop, and I tried to click it when it went to the bottom, but
Yeah.
I may try it again in just a second. Oh yeah, I mean the 5 minute. I just wanted to kind of bounce at this 805 area, honestly.
Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles. Son of a bitch, though. Look at that. It came. This is where my take profit was at 801, and it came down to like 801.50. Still, we sank that from 828 to 809. Little 20-pointer isn't bad. Only if the 5 minute range tell me my bias. Do we have that? Oh yeah. So there you go, bud. So here's our. I mean, we're kissing. We're kissing breaking the 5 minute range right now. We wick just barely below it. Where's our low candle? Ooh. There you go. Charles is all in. The boy's all in. Wow, VIX just look at VIX's spike. VIX has a nasty spike on it, but honestly, Nvidia isn't falling any farther. ES did. ES did the same thing we did. Oh, man with the cowboy hat's in a long. I don't hate that. Bouncing off the 780s. That makes a lot of sense. I wish I had gotten in a little faster. Already up 40 points. Good job, sir. Good job.
Well, we tried it twice at the top and didn't really get anything, so I just took 3 of them off. I had 4, so.
Yeah, still. So Charles, 24,668 is another low from the New York session.
And there's 50 points right at the EMA. I'm going to take it off there if it wicks back through.
Beautiful pop, bud. Beautiful pop.
All right, I'm out right there.
Darn it, man. I should have been in there with
so.
you, too. The second I looked over and I saw that NVIDIA had found support and, like, literally wasn't moving, that felt like a little Trapezosaurus Rex.
Probably could have rode it a little bit longer, but, I mean, I lost, I think I lost about 140 or so on that drop when I entered right there, so
yeah,
had to reclaim myself a little bit.
Yep. So let's see.
So now we kind of want to see that hold there.
864. Oh shoot! I meant to text my buddy.
All right, we're up 30 points again, guys. Can't be that hard. There's 40 points.
Shoo! Get it, bud. Get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Man, when this thing broke 828 and you said you were in, I almost FOMO'd into it, and I didn't, but
yeah,
it would have been a good idea.
And runner hit again. Still probably could have held it. I think we're going to come up here and test this 895 again. Probably pop right back over it.
Man, I know. I almost want to go in right now, actually, because look at the EMAs are curling up nice, too. I'm going to go in. We're going to target the 9s real quick.
Oh, look at that. Boom. Right there.
Come on, 9s. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles.
You got to hold.
I didn't hold it, though. I didn't hold it, Charles.
He just clicked the exit button that time, guys. He didn't even let the stop. He didn't drag the stop button, nothing. He just, all right, I'm out.
Charles.
And look at it. Look at it go.
Listen, man, that was the longest 10 seconds of my life, guys. Listen, my wife will attest. I'm a 10-second hero. That's all we need. I'm a 10-second hero, guys. Others might be the biggest and largest, but we got the 10-seconders.
That's right, yeah.
I mean, that was a 871 to 900s. A little 30-pointer. Not mad about it. Up 100 on the day.
And look at that, right back down. That's why he got out, guys, because he knew that next candle was just going to be flat red.
I know, we did get 7 eggs today. Come on in, bud. Come on in, Mr. Sir. If we break out to the upside, Charles is targeting 25,100. Wow, dude. Actually, yeah, well, even, I mean, look at the 25. Look at the amount of volume at 25,000 still. And yeah, 25.98. I see it, Charles. London, wow. London high is 25,418. How is that possible?
I mean, it's a little scary for me now just because we've had that huge range. We kind of have kind of a triple top right there, kind of. I mean, for sure a double top.
Yep.
But each one has made a higher high, so.
And we're getting a good separation on our EMAs here. Plus, we have this big old volume shelf here at 840s. So I think it's, I think the, and oh my God, can't talk. I always give a little bit too much weight to NVIDIA, but I kind of think that that's what we're waiting for once again, is see what NVIDIA wants to do. If it breaks this shelf,
sure.
You know, breaks this shelf, breaks the 179.32s, then the market's really going to get red. If it decides to come up here to the 184s, then Charles is 100% right. We're going to rip the heck up, as we're still ripping up right now. So we blasted through your little VWAP. We're almost to the bottom of my little VWAP, which is still quite confusing.
Yeah, I mean, 929 is our real VWAP, right? So.
Oh, right. Always look at the 5. I got to remember that. Always look at the stinking 5.
I mean, anyway, at least on TradingView, that's the VWAP I kind of look at.
Yep, I agree with you.
I want to see what we do here. I mean, a dumb thing to do to be just short it right here, but
VIX is coming down good. ES is still going up pretty good. On the 5, I mean, we're kind of at, yeah, look at the 5, though. We're at what I expect resistance, but if we pop it, then obviously we're going to the, you know, again, 25,000 pretty quickly, 24,990. But big stop. Your stop has to be down here at 870s.
Yeah.
Ooh, and here's
actually
another
kind of below that. But.
Here's another little call out for you. Is look at there's no wick on the 948 candle. So sometimes the theory is right. It's got to come down and clean up that wick a little.
Yeah, I mean, we're stalling out right here. I don't want to get, you know, wicked out or anything, but I don't really have a good stop at the top. I mean, I think Charles is right. I mean, that 25K would be in play right now, kind of right up to the 200 and kind of wick over these little highs back here at 6:20 my time, so 7:20 y'all's. There's kind of the retest of the box, so we'll kind of see how it acts right here. This 899 maybe be support.
Well, yeah, man, shoot, it's happening right in front of our eyes. I was almost hoping for a 21 tap to consider going long here.
Right.
24,869. Again, just hoping that we kind of clean up that wick. Maybe we wick down to the 860s. The 1 hour EMA aligns with 25,100. Oh yeah. Well, I mean, again, man, it's very interesting. I wonder who's. Wait, what do I have? I have the 9 EMA. And I have the 200. Which one's which? I have them both. Oh, okay. So yeah, I have my 9 EMA at 25,059 on the 1 hour, but then I have my 200 EMA at 25,237. Okay, now here's where I walk away. Charles, you don't walk away from us. Don't you walk away from me, Charles. Don't you walk away, sir. And literally, Charles, actually, maybe it is a good thing. Have you realized, Charles, that every single time you do a call out and then you walk away, we are long funded account and email. Woo! And that's what I was just gonna say, Charles. Every single time you walk, you'll call out a level, you'll walk away, and then it's like 40 minutes later that Cowboy and I are celebrating because we're like, Charles, you hit your target,
yeah,
and then you're not here. We're like, where are you at, Charles? And then we always wonder, we're like, did he hit it? Did he take it? What did he do? Nice, man.
Well, like yesterday, we started screaming for him, and he had to run back to see what was going on because he could hear us screaming. So.
Yeah, we got him all excited. Yeah. So here we are, just kind of dancing here at the 200. Again, 21 is at 876 now. Hope we don't jinx it today. I know, Charles. I think we're gonna be all right. Though
I'm gonna try right there too. I'm just gonna put my stops down here. Probably a little bit larger stop. I'm not really in love with the trade yet, but
yeah, I know. Shoot, man, I do want to jump in too. And again, I always give too much weight to NVIDIA, but that's the only guy that I'm looking at right now. Is I want to see NVIDIA turn green and get a little bit of support first. But this is literally the level that I was calling out. I said I wanted it to come down and clean up 870s, and this is pretty damn close. I mean, again, look at all this nice volume we have at 840s too. So we should. There's a lot of support points here, I think. $8.45.
wish I'd have waited just a little. But I mean, the 1 hour wick through the previous 1 hour low. Now it's pushing back up over the 888 pivot point. So
yeah, well, it hit the 21. Shoot, man, that's really kind of what I wanted to look for. Now I'm going to FOMO and higher than you even wanted. I was about to get a better entry. Now let's punch in a worse one.
Down, so.
Yeah.
So now I think we may be in a little bit of trouble here.
Well, yeah, just looking at the 5 minute, I mean, 846s. 846s for a turnaround. Man, why are these candles slowing down so much right now?
Yeah, right here where we need them.
Like, timing is just... We're in a crawl right here. Here's our 9:55 candle. Oh, shoot. I didn't even look. Do we have news today? Today's Friday. Didn't we have something today? Yeah, didn't we have something this morning? We had PPI this morning. No way! Wait, it's delayed. Huh? No? Did we get it? The fuck? Did we get 8:30 news or no? Must be... I don't know. I guess we did. I guess that's with the 880 to 820. Oh, so was that our news sell-off? And then it was a bounce. We came back down, tested it, and then bounced. Yeah, again, I think that gives a lot of credence to the longs, you would think then. If we already took out the news pop. And not to scare you, sir, but they NVIDIA just made a session low. Not to say that means anything, though. Because, again, we're really right on that cusp now.
Yeah, we just don't got it. Stopped out.
Damn.
Had a chance for a minute to get even, maybe make 30, 40 bucks, but this candle was probably the candle here. I thought I had it low enough, but we'll let this one close and see what it...
Shoot, man, because yeah, that was my support level where I almost wanted to go long, and then you're like, I just got stopped out. And I'm like, well, I don't want to go in now if you just got stopped out as I friggin' go in right now. Ugh.
Well, I think it hit me like right to the penny almost. So
yeah. Let's see if we can at least get back up to the 200 here, but kind of a fallen knife here.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh shoot. He's in a very good spot right now, babe. He's in a very good spot. He hid there once on me, and it took me forever to find him. We're playing hide and seek with a 4-year-old. Welcome to Second Swim
He's
Trade.
obviously not in here.
Huh?
Is he in there?
Huh? Where?
In this part of the room?
No idea. You gotta find him, man.
No, he needs to eat breakfast.
No, I will tell you, he's in. You don't have to go past that door, right?
Obviously, but
So-
is he in the bathroom or the closet?
I'm not gonna friggin' tell you, babe. You gotta find him. He's in the best hiding spot he's ever found before, and it took me forever to find him one time. Now it's gonna take you forever to find him, and I'm gonna laugh and giggle the whole time. Hey, Miguel! Happy Friday, sir. We're doing okay.
How long, Miguel?
Yeah, we're up 111 on the day. We made a couple good trades. Actually, I think I'm at 100 right now, aren't I? Yeah, I don't want to jinx it. You found him?
How did you find me?
That was a good one, wasn't it?
Yeah, it took her like 4 seconds.
No, it took her like 10 minutes.
Nope, 1 second.
I didn't think
Are
it
you
was
ready for
1
breakfast?
second.
It was actually 1 second.
Okay, are you ready
Roars.
for breakfast?
It was not 1 second. She came in here, she looked around, she thought you were not here, she was going to leave and give up. Alright, so NVIDIA's still looking weak. Man, today's race day too. Woo! We got a Red Bull on.
Oh,
race
shoot.
day. Yeah, so we're going up to, or down to St. Pete. So I'm meeting my dad in about an hour and a half.
Nice.
Well, about 2 hours, but it's about an hour and 10-minute drive. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get going around like 10. I don't know, like 10:30 today again.
Nice.
But yeah, that'll be fun. It'll be today, tomorrow, the next day. My buddy's company too actually rented out a yacht slip over there. which the yacht slips start at
Oh.
like 35 grand, and then they go up to like 80
Holy
grand or
cow.
something like that. So
Wow.
he's in kind of like the yacht row. So I'll get to go down and like hang out the on that section for a little bit too. Oh, you're long right now. I was just gonna say, hey man, what are we thinking? Because this looks like it's starting to get a little strength to her.
Oh, I mean, just at that bottom there, but
I think it's looking real good. Oh, this is a 10 o'clock candle though. Calm down, Greg. Calm down.
Yeah.
I was about to do it. I was about to chase. I was about to chase and follow and target that like 930s. But I always get nervous on hour candles.
all right, runner hit. We're trying to dig ourselves out of the hole, so
Nice. Well, if I know anything about you, man, I feel pretty bad for the market right now because I know you're about to beat it up pretty
yeah, we're
good.
mad now.
You know?
We're gonna be even or even worse in a minute.
No, man. When Trading Cowboy is red, he starts firing them off, and you'll see some crazy good trades in a sec. Damn, look at that thing. No wick, though. No wick at all.
Yeah, see, I
889,
like
no
that,
wick.
but man, it didn't even give us a wick. So now we'll see if we can push over these 940s.
Yeah, Nvidia's going up. VIX is just plummeting right there on that candle. Shoo! Squeeze them shorts. Squeeze them shorts. Come on, Charles. Let's
Yeah,
get
for
that
real.
25,000. Babe, did you see the Airbnb people said that they'll give us another 5-star? Yeah, they said they had an amazing time that they're about to check out. They just now saw the message about the book, so they forgot to do the book, but it was amazing, and they'll definitely give us a 5-star. Yeah. Yeah, we've had, I don't even know, what, 13 guests now? 13 guests in our Airbnb in 2 months, and 5 stars for every single one.
Nice.
But I also think our retention is I think like 11 of the 13 left reviews, something like that. Yeah, just about all of them. We might have missed 1 or 2. So when we have this much bullishness, but we don't have a wick, what do we think? Do we still think it's going to come back and clean up this wick sooner than later? Or
I mean,
is
we're
this...
a little nervous. If we kind of look at the 5, it's still a little early on it, but I want to see it close up here. I mean,
Yeah.
it's kind of in my mind, it's kind of no man's land right now. I mean, we kind
Yeah.
of wanted to close over VWAP, but we don't. But then we wanted to kind of come back and retest. Look at that pump. But then if it closes below VWAP, you kind of wanted to come retest the bottom of the box at 910.
Right.
But then you got VWAP right there above it to
Right.
reject off of it again. So
Yeah.
kind of wanted to close up here, show VWAP as support, and then go push that 974, and then all the way up to 25,000.
Yep. I like that. And look, here's Patrick's waves. Market's moving in waves. Look at this beautiful wave. So I
Yeah,
guess
for
same thing.
sure.
It really shouldn't just go blue. It should have like maybe a little bit more of a pop. Then we can kind of come back down and then do a... We almost have this as like a line too. We did dip below it, but that's almost like a nice little support line, little trend line. Qs are, Nvidia, 5-minute candles at the top of its previous 3 now, basically. Ooh, VIX lost its support, but also VIX had a gap to fill, and VIX just filled the gap. Which I don't know if that ever means anything. VIX seems to be quite gappy.
I think it carries a little bit of weight. And when you talk to, or not when you talk to them, but when you watch some of those guys, some of those Wall Street guys, what's his name? Einstein of Wall Street and stuff like that.
Yeah,
When you
dude,
watch
love
some of
that
his
guy.
videos,
Yeah.
I mean, one of his deals that, they watch when he says, what do you have on your chart? He has the fibs, he has some EMAs. They watch the pivot points to the T.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
Wow.
they're watching everything that we're watching right here.
Yeah. So what you're saying is there's a chance.
Yeah.
Man, look at that, though. We talked about it coming down to kind of clean up that wick. It came right down, bounced off the 21. Didn't, in my opinion, really clean it up, but just interesting that
No,
it
I
did
kind of want to see it go
come
below it
down.
a few points, but
Yeah. I know you'd think. I mean, like you see my yellow line, you got your blue line, so you'd think coming back down to the 45, like an 880 bounce. But again, at the moment, she doesn't seem to have any
I mean
quit
that
in
was a
her.
nice push. That wig probably would have been a good buy point, but
Yeah.
I don't want to see it just come reject right off of it again.
Literally 10 minutes ago, I was talking about how Nvidia just broke the new range low or new session low. Sorry. And now, 10 minutes later, it's broken a new session high instead. So yeah, I guess I want to see a retracement. Oh God, I would like to see a retracement to 900, I guess, or something like that at the very least. But yeah, it definitely seems like she wants to push, and if Nvidia wants to fill that gap, oh, I almost want to FOMO it right now. Man, it's hard sitting out on trades sometimes too.
Oh yeah, for sure. I mean, I
Oh,
was looking a
calm
while
down,
ago at
Greg.
the. I was
Calm
looking at a while ago, just thinking, you know what? Maybe today's the day you just buy a few Nvidia options. And I was kind of looking around in the. I was thinking, okay, if it goes back up to 184
Yeah.
from the bottom here at 179, well, a 182.50 call was 52 cents, and now they're at a buck
Dang.
already. So if it fills the gap,
Man, that might be an interesting session day. Do we want to just randomly choose a day? I don't know what day it'll be, but randomly choose a day that maybe instead of futures, we switch over and we do options trading that day. Which I gotta
yeah.
admit,
Well, I
though,
mean, it plays so much into a lot of what we're doing.
right?
And if you can tell it's a definite uptrend, I mean, just like right here, though, we were wanting NVIDIA to come down here, pop back above the VWAP, and then try to go fill the gap so we could play in NVIDIA or NQ.
Right,
Well,
right.
why wouldn't we buy a cheap option on Friday, 0 day expire?
Yep,
I mean, why wouldn't you have chanced $50 and
right,
you're up to 100 right now? I mean, you just,
right,
you know, I probably would have bought 10 of them.
right. Exactly. Right. And that's actually real cash, you know?
Yeah, yeah, that you can see and have tomorrow.
That's cash. Cash. Make it out to cash, please. Well, shoot, man. Yeah, Nvidia's just friggin' pumping. We've kind of broken what I would have considered our resistance at the 942s now. I would like that to be support. So again, I mean, I just keep pushing my target up. I'm like, man, if it comes back to the 840s, you know what? If we hit the nines, we're all in. And now we're like, hey, you know what's a good support point is 933. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's hard to chase this. It really is. I mean, it sucks because we've been so positive about 25,000, and here it is. It's gonna hit in friggin' 2 seconds. But again, I guess you just can't blindly chase unless you really get the good setup.
Are you hungry?
Okay, here's kind of my deal. This isn't. I don't want nobody to follow this, but if we get up there to 25,000, that's the 200 on a 5 minute.
You shorting?
I'm gonna try to short it in there somewhere, and I'm gonna put my stop up above 240s.
Yeah.
And just see what
Yeah.
happens. I'm probably gonna put it around 250, 255. It's pretty high, but I may add into it along the way
Uh-huh.
and just see if that does it.
But man,
There's my plan.
if Nvidia goes to the gap fill, yeah, you'll be riding it a long time. Shoot, man. I mean, I don't hate it though. It does seem like that would be a good.
I mean, I kind of think Nvidia's about 60 cents away from it having to pull back for a minute.
Yeah.
I mean, NQ is right here at the 50 ORB at 973. It pulled right back as soon as it hit it.
As soon as it touched.
So this may be the top for a little bit. We may have to get a little pullback before we can go any higher, but
Ooh. Man, you're getting me all
at 25,
excited.
if we just keep pushing to 25, that's going to be like 130, 40 points in the last 10, 15 minutes. So.
Uh-huh.
So there we go. There's my dangerous trade.
There's the danger zone, baby. We hitting the danger zone today. Uh-oh. I mean, I kind of like
And
it,
I guess
though.
I said, I mean, our 50% above the box is 973, but I guess technically, if you look at it, guys, I mean, it just rejected off the 80.
Yep. Well, I mean, look at it. Look at all this volume again at 25,000. So that's almost the largest volume we have on this session, even though we haven't even hit it yet. So there's going to be a lot of profit takers. There's going to be a lot of shorters. I can see 25,000. We go up to like the proverbial 2520. And then I agree with you, man. I think I'm going to target the short as well.
But we also don't want it to reject right at 25. So after Greg saying that out loud, it kind of tells me, okay, you need to get in a little early.
Yep. You got to get in early.
I'm going to need to ride into a little bit of drawdown.
Yeah. So it's 10:11. NVIDIA is turning red, which is kind of interesting. But that was just to give it a little bottom wick. So here we go, Charles. Charles! Charles, come back! Charles! It's about to hit! He's targeting 25,100 though. I wonder if he'll take any off. I wonder if he's taking anything at 25,000.
Yeah, I mean, I hope earlier his stop was a little bit bigger than what mine was, so he could, because I mean, it really came down after. I mean, it came down like 60, 70 points before it ripped back up. So
Yeah. Charles! Woo!
oh, I am.
There he
Got
is,
a baby,
baby!
Charles.
Get it, Charles. Charles, sell one at 25,000 and I'll buy it from you. I'll buy it short.
And he'll hold it for at least 60 seconds.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy one from you and I'll hold it for 60.
Greg's like, okay, never mind, no deal.
Yeah, no deal. Listen. If you take out the stipulations, remove all contingencies, and then we can have a contract. Poor Charles had his headphones on. I was just screaming into his ear. Shoot, man. So we came up to 24,994, coming back down to the 24,976 is.
Yeah, see, I told you I should have bought one early.
Yeah. Limit order,
Limit order at
25K.
I think it's going to hit.
I think it's going to hit too, man. I think it'll hit. At the very least, because they have, there's a lot of people shorting right now, and a lot of people probably put their stop kind of up here. So I'm sure it'll wick up to get out those stops, and then it'll come down.
Yep.
2 micros. Yeah, baby.
Oh, heck yeah.
I mean, so you're up like $400? Probably, right? Because I think you're up at least 100 points right now.
And that's the nice part about having two of anything, right? Because you can scale one out, you can let the other one ride and see if you can get some more out of it. So.
Yep.
And you can lose twice as fast. So I mean, either way.
Yep. Yep.
But you know, my accountant told me one time that when I said first class so expensive, he goes, "It's not expensive. You just can't stay as long." So.
Yeah. It's a timeshare first class.
Yeah, yeah.
Could you imagine if they actually did that? You know, it's like a 4-hour flight and you're like, hey, you can get fractional ownership of first class. Be like, all right, I get the first hour, then you get the second hour.
Yeah.
That was actually a dream of mine 10 years ago that I just never realized, but I really wanted to get into like yachts at the time. And shoot, I just wanted to buy a yacht, you know. I wanted to buy like $1 million yacht or something like that. But then I was realizing that I probably wouldn't use it a lot. Like I'd probably only use it maybe 3 or 4 weeks out of the year because I was so busy with real estate at the time. So then I was thinking, maybe I'll do fractional ownership of a yacht, you know?
Oh
And then
yeah.
I started getting into like, there was this new wide bodied yacht that was like, I don't know, it was like 46 feet wide or something. Not 46 feet wide. It must be like 36 feet wide or something like that. I can't remember this stuff anymore. But it was only like 60 feet long. So it wasn't a very long yacht. But usually if you have a 60-foot long yacht, then you're only like, say it's like 20-foot wide. There's not really enough room on the interior for like cool, cozy stuff.
Oh yeah.
So this new wide-bodied yacht came out. I thought it looked gorgeous, and I was like, "All right, I'm gonna get 10 people to, go in on this thing at like 100 grand or 110 each or something like that, and then everybody will have fractional
Yeah.
ownership, and then I'll also manage it. We'll do charters and stuff like that, and then the charter, like the profit from the charters, gets divided out between the members, and you could sell your like weeks back and all that other bullshit, and then you could sell your
Yeah.
ownership at the end of the year, and hopefully the boat has risen in equity because we're making money off charters. And but yeah, I just know honestly at the end of the day I knew nothing about yachts, so it kind of it kind of died right there. It was like a 5 month thing, and then I was like, man, I can't figure this out. Not that I couldn't figure it out, but I just wasn't in the group of people at the time that I didn't have enough friends that had 100,000 to throw around into a yacht.
Yeah.
I needed wealthier friends.
You look at that though. I mean, the yacht deal like that, and then even the jets and stuff. These guys are just
Yeah.
building these companies with nothing, and using everybody else's
Yeah.
jets.
Exactly. And everybody else's money and
And
everything else, man.
these people come in and pay, these millionaires and billionaires. They come in and buy a, jet card,
Yeah.
and will literally send them $5 million for the year,
Right.
and say that's what I want to spend when I fly, and I want to be able to fly anywhere.
Right. Oh, I know, man. It's just like some people live an absolute banana lifestyle that other people don't even realize other people are living, that they would be
Yeah.
mind blown if they saw how just kind of extravagant and but at the same time those people just don't even realize it anymore. 5 mil is nothing. It's just, hey, I have a headache of flying, so here's 5 mil so I don't have to have that headache anymore. And it's
Yeah,
like,
I'm gonna text
holy
you when I want to
shit.
leave, and I expect you to have me a plane there.
Right, right. The cars are waiting and everything. I rode private one time, man. I rode private, and we did, my wife and I, maybe 5 years ago now. We just did an insane Costa Rica trip. There was like tens of thousands of dollars. And that was one of the. It should have been the highlight. It was honestly way scarier than it happened to be. But we got a private jet to take us from the jungle side of Costa Rica down to the ocean side of Costa Rica, and it was like the smallest private jet I've ever seen. And it was a very windy day, so instead it was not a very fun experience because we were like, man, we were jumping like 10 feet. It was kind of nuts. My wife is like, we're never flying this ever again. Miguel says he's ready for the lavish life. Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
buddy, me too. Well, I mean, even like when you go down, you were in Key West and stuff, what,
Yeah.
a week or two ago?
Yeah.
Well, even when you go there and you just see those yachts just pulling in their parking, and
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, I know.
I mean, you're like, geez, wow.
Just mind blowing. Or even like Patrick went to Hawaii and did the sail fishing tournament for a month, and I think he was in, I can't remember anymore. I think he was in 3 separate tournaments or something like that. And each tournament costs you like 50 grand just to enter the tournament. So he shelled out like 150 just to enter it. And then he ended up winning like, first on one of the 3. So the purse of that was like 250. So he made all of his money back. But damn, man.
And I guess if you can have that kind of experience and you make your money back, it's definitely worth it.
Oh, hell yeah. I know, man. And that would be the thing with the yacht too, is the fractional ownership. Just like you were saying, I had it. The math figured out that my share would be 100% free, and then everybody else would be like,
Yeah.
like the first 2 would start at like 110, and then like the second 2 was like at 150, then the next 2 was going to be like 180. So like the price per seat goes up. So hold on. Instead of talking about yachts, let's talk about the fact that Trading Cowboy realized that everybody was targeting this 25,000. There's this massive shelf here at 25,000. I, for one, said I wanted to short at 25,000. And you talked about the fact that, man, there's so much frothing around that level, it's probably the reaction will happen early. And what did it
Yeah.
do, man? It literally reacted
Yeah.
early. You know, you got the
Yeah.
bodies
We
up
got
here
like an
to
80-point drop,
yeah,
75
992.
points something.
Yeah.
And that's why I said, I mean, that's why I called it out. I was like, well, maybe we need to be in early.
Yeah, shit, man. You were right. 80 points right there. And that's a pretty well, I guess not really. I was going to say that would be kind of a relaxing trade too, but this would actually you'd get really excited here, 48, and then it came all the way back to, 70. You'd be like, "Ooh, uh-oh."
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, so let's see. Is Nvidia curling back up? Is it going to turn
I mean, there was
green?
there again. There was our perfect play. We had our green candle. This one retraced almost half.
Yep.
We got that push back up, but
Yep.
I kind of expected in my mind. I kind of expected to stall out here in the 75, 80 area, pull back down a little bit if we're going to get that push through the 25s.
And then push up. Yeah, hold on, let me rescue my dog. Our big dog pushed the bathroom door closed on the little dog, and she's too small, like tentative to like push it with her nose to push it open. So she got locked in. She's locked in the bathroom. All right, 10:21. I do unfortunately got to leave exactly at 10:30, so I'm not late for my dad here. Oh, in fact, I should even double check traffic now that it's the morning because we're supposed to be adults. Right.
Supposed to be.
Supposed to be. Man, that's one of those things too that I'm realizing as I age, that you just always have that feeling that you're young, right? Like here I am, I'm about to be 38, and I just the entire time, like when I was like 15, when I was 20, when you're 25, you're like, when will you actually feel like an adult? When will you feel responsible? You're an adult. You're doing things the correct way. I still don't feel that. And I feel like now I'm never going to feel that. It's just, I don't know.
Yeah. That's a good problem, though.
You just keep looking in the mirror and I just keep getting older. I feel like I keep thinking I'm young. I think I'm young.
Right. Yeah.
And it was the weirdest thing, too. Like every profession I ever entered, I was always like the youngest person in that organization. The second I graduated college, I was like 10 years younger, 15 years younger than everybody. Then going into real estate, it was kind of the same thing. I was like 10 years younger than everybody at the time. And now I finally plateaued to that point where like I'm not the young one anymore, like a room that I go
Except
into.
you're retired, so you're the youngest.
Yeah, dude, like the wedding we were just at. There was this kid, and I'm calling him a kid. There was this kid that was hanging out with us. And he was exactly like us. He was exactly like my group of friends. He was hanging out with us. He was doing everything that we were doing. He like understood all of our references and stuff like that. And then somebody asked him how old he was, and he was 20 years old. And like in my mind, I'm thinking like him and I are the exact same person. We look the same and everything. And I'm like 20 years older than the stinking kid. I'm like, holy shit, man. I'm finally like that weird old person that like brings it up at parties too. I'm like, wow. You're a lot younger than me. I don't feel this old, Like now I'm starting to have those weird.
Yeah.
Like I remember when I was 20 and 40-year-olds would have that conversation with me, and I'd be like, "Yeah, man, you're a fucking adult, man. You're responsible. You have life stuff going on." And here I am, almost 40, and like outside looking in, I have the kids, and I had the money, and I had the career, and all that other stuff. But like, I'm not responsible. Like I'm fucking. I feel like I'm a kid still,
Yeah.
My God.
Oh, that's great though.
Ugh. Yeah, so I can't wait. I'm going to be 80 years old. I'm still going to be trying to, I'm like, all right, we can do a double backflip off this cliff. No big deal. Let's send it.
Yeah.
Son of a
That'll probably be the day you realize you're old, is when you jump off the boat and it didn't work out right.
Oh, yeah.
When you jump off and...
Well, I mean, literally, even just last year, I just bought, and sorry, we're just fucking chatting today, guys. It is what it is. It's Fresh Cash Friday. So last year, I just got this brand new like wakeboard and everything. I was super excited about it. My 7-year-old is a really good wakeboarder. I had never wakeboarded before. Last year was my first year. I'd always like surfed behind the boat up to that point. Too many details. But anyways, my 4th or 5th time wakeboarding, I tried to clear the wake. I landed weird, and my stomach just exploded in pain. And like I just ripped a whole bunch of micro tears all throughout my ab and stuff. Like I'm floating in the water. I couldn't even move. My wife had to like rip back. She had to like drag me into the boat because like I didn't even have the my muscles. You know, I didn't have any strength left in my belly or anything.
Yeah.
Got into the boat. I'm throwing up on the boat. She takes me to the ER and stuff like that. I'm there for like 10 hours, which is absurd. And then of course it was a $16,000 friggin' hospital bill. You know, because they had to do a double.
Yeah.
They had to do double CAT scans on me because the first one didn't work and everything. And then at the end of it, you know, I thought they were gonna say, "You're dead." You know, your whole body is fucked. Like your abdomen is gone. Every vertebrae, every like bone in your body is broken, and we just have to put you down. You know. And instead, it was literally just like, and I'm really good with pain. I'm really good with pain and stuff like that. They're like, "Hey, man, you just have a couple micro tears, no big deal," you know. And I was like, "Wait, not like,
Like what?
my intestine didn't squish all the way through my abs or anything." Like they're like, "No, man, you just, you know, you're just the way you were." Honestly, what they said is you were probably too dehydrated when you went out. So when you landed, your muscles just spasmed and locked up, and they just stayed locked up. And then that was the biggest issue. There wasn't even too much tearing or anything. It was just my muscles spazzed, locked up, and so I had to use a whole bunch of muscle relaxers to get the contractions down and shit.
Oh
But
my
yeah,
God.
I'm like, what the fuck? I'm 37. What do you mean? You know? What do you mean?
And I
I
fell
still-
into the water.
I still have life to live.
Yeah.
All right, gang. Sorry, too many long-winded stories today. We came all the way down here. We ripped all the way up to Charles 24,997. Just
See,
for
I
us
mean, it
to
still didn't cross that 25. So there's a lot of sellers at that 25.
just to retrace the move. So does that almost mean? I mean, if we see a green candle sooner than later before we break this, I think we go long again, right? Or is this kind of like we got to be patient and hesitant now?
Yeah, I mean, I'd like to see if it could come back up and, bust it. But I mean, now we kind of have a double top.
Oh, that's
So-
true.
I mean, are we going to reject all the way back down now? Or I don't think so. I mean, our volume just kind of dried up, really.
Yeah.
But
Well,
I
shoot,
mean,
man. And two, remember,
NVIDIA pulled back. It's kind of making a little bear flag now.
Oh, yeah.
VIX found support below the box right there at the 2050s.
Yeah, man. Because I gotta stay true to my timing today. I got 2.5 minutes left. I gotta make sure I'm not. Whoa, which I forgot. I was supposed to be
Yeah.
looking this thing up. I gotta make sure I'm not late. Do. Oh shit! I gotta do that too. Yeah. We have to download this like Flamingo Pass so that we go to the Tropicana like baseball field, and then they have a whole bunch of shuttle buses that take you over the race. And so I downloaded the
nice.
app, but then you have to, of course, because there's so many damn security protocols. Downloaded the app, and then you have to verify the email code and all that other stuff. And then it wasn't working on my phone because that stuff half the time doesn't. 980s. Oof. Who wants to short at the 980s? I almost do. But right, I mean, this is almost our green move, right? Like maybe this is the kaboom that breaks through the 25,000s.
Yeah, I mean, if we could get a good pop here, we're kind of following that little trend line now. So VIX is pulled back below that 2050 area. NVIDIA got a huge pop. It was now looked like a little miniature bull flag or bear flag. Now it looks
Yeah.
like a real nice bull flag.
Yep. Qs are still pushing up, which we never talked about that. I kind of, again, this morning session got away from me a little bit. I've just been talking. I've been talking about yachts and everything else. So the Qs had a gap as well. And we're only $1 away from filling, $1.30 away from filling the Qs gap as well, a gap to the upside. as we keep pushing down. 43.62. Risk $40. Ah, shit, and there it is.
I really don't see this as being, I don't know, I don't see this as being a lot of strength right here, but
Right.
maybe it is.
Well, what's going to happen is it's going to be, because we've just been consolidating now since 10 o'clock, so there will be a pop in some direction, and then it'll probably a reversal. Like, I
Yeah.
can see just a strong rip down here, maybe to the 900s again, and then we rip up to 25,000, or the reversal happen. We'll
Right.
pop up to 25, it'll continue up to 25.20, and then it just sledges off the cliff maybe. Yeah, shoot. I mean, as always, I love to do that, you know, that one last trade, but I think we're kind of in a no man's land.
Yeah, we're kind of consolidating right here, maybe to get that pop, but
Right. Like there's both things could perfectly happen. We could pop down to 43 really fast to then go up. We could pop up to 25,000 really fast to then go down. So there's like, you know, 20 to 40 point swings in either direction.
yep, exactly.
I'm up $111 and this is my 4th day green in a row and I don't want to mess it up.
Let's
Not that
go,
$100 is a lot. We get it, guys, but fuck you. It's good enough today.
Right. Hey, what a way to end the weekend, right? I mean, go into
Right.
the weekend nice and strong.
Yeah, green. We're up $314 in this Apex account. It's a 25K account, so we still only have, you know, about $1,000 to go on it. But all right, so here's our little
Shoot,
reaction down to the
yeah.
940s, getting me a little excited. But you're right. Now Nvidia's bear flag is now looking like a bear flag again.
Yeah, yeah, it's insane.
I mean, you had some great call outs today too. That call out, that 24,000 again. I distracted us too much today, but that 24,994 short would have been a beautiful trade.
It just, you know, it does it on the bottom side too so many times. I mean, we've seen it, especially the last couple of weeks. You know,
Yeah.
we think, okay, we're 10 points from the low. We're going to rip through it. So I'm going to play it and catch 10, 15 points.
Right.
And then it just goes straight up there. And
Yeah. Slams it in your
So-
face the opposite direction. Yep.
yeah.
Q's is coming back to support. ES is coming back to support a little bit. Nvidia is starting to bear flag pretty good. VIX isn't spiking too strong though. VIX is only blipping a little bit. I definitely wouldn't want to go. I don't think I'd want to go short here either. But it almost makes you feel a little bit better for the long at this level. one last trade long. Put the stop at 928. All right, I'm going to do that. Real tight stop, guys. So it's not necessarily the best trade, but at least I know it won't kill us. We're in profit already, and we're stopped out already because that's what we like to do.
Come on.
Come on, Greg. 5 seconds, bud. You just had to hold it for 5 seconds longer. I mean, that was my TP. It was like 950. Instead, I got out at 938. We're up 116 on the day. You want me to take those apart?
Yeah.
Wow. How the heck you get them together?
I just tried.
Oh, God. Oh, man, dude. Look at this friggin' candle now.
No, Mom. I'm just.
Man, there's just so many times that last trade that I make of the day
Why
ends up being the
mine?
wrong trade, you know, and then I'm down money and I'm
Right,
like,
yeah.
man, that really stinks. I shouldn't have done that.
Well, you're not playing with it.
Ugh. Wow, Wyatt, you really locked these together basically
Holy crap! How did you get that on?
with all the strength that I had in my body.
3 more.
Shoot, man, I'm disappointed with myself. I'm disappointed. Oh, you just punched long.
We're gonna try. We're gonna keep it pretty tight, same as you. But
Cowboy just punched long, guys. Did you push it
Why?
back together? Oh,
Why
I was
do?
like, I'm not
Why
gonna fucking do any more
do
than.
not play with those again?
Oh, are
Why?
these roses?
Yeah.
He's not even playing with him.
Yeah,
Neither
but
am I.
again,
I got it.
you took a toy and you kind of broke it,
And,
right?
and a toy doll is mine.
Yeah, but you don't even play with it.
But it doesn't mean it's yours.
To break.
I didn't break it.
We still gotta fix the stuffed animal from last night.
What's the thing on?
Baby Mars.
oh, it almost got me. Almost TP'd.
Dude, I gotta say, it's this these wicks are kind of nuts, man. Damn it, though. Ugh, that could have been such a good trade to end on. Oh, Charles, where were you? All
Dad, why do you
Yeah.
these?
right, here you go.
So yeah, we need to program a little shot clock in.
Literally,
Not
man.
necessarily that you have to hold, but just so we can actually see how far you hold.
I know it, dude. I agree. I 1000% agree because it's my biggest shortcoming, right? If we could just figure that out. Average time right now 32 seconds. 100% profitable on 4 trades though. Up 116, so it's not terrible.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at here it is. So a minute and 30 was the Charles trade. And then 15 seconds, 6 seconds, and 17 seconds. That's pretty funny. Which that last one wasn't. It didn't. Oh, it doesn't even have my last trade on here yet. That last trade was definitely like 3 seconds. Oh, you're still in it. Nice, man.
I took one off. There's a little pump.
Nice.
I'm gonna exit right there just for the stream.
Nice.
Just because. Just because.
Did you just pass?
That got me back to even.
Nice! Woo! Green on the day. Green on the day. Green on the day.
And look at here. Now we're gonna get that push. So
Dude, Charles, so
Now-
many times, man. Look at this, Charles. We went to 24,998.25 and we were screaming your name, man. It's got to hit this time though. It's got to hit. On the reverse of that, is this the time to short?
I mean, Greg would have had to hold for 5 minutes, but he would be up 60 points right now,
Oh, I know it, man. God damn it.
and it never would have hit his stop.
We got to do better. We got to do better. Oh, I know it. Yeah, if I just left my stop down, I didn't even think about that. I moved the stop up into profit so fast when I was only risking like literally $12. I was risking $12 and I decided to move that stop up. That's pretty dumb. You are right. Wyatt, come on, baby.
Now, if we don't hit it right here, guys, I think it's downtown.
Yeah.
No, because you're gonna be disruptive. The second you're disruptive, you're out. Rory, come on here.
Man, look at it. Look at it go. Oh, yeah, VIX is going down real good. Come on, Charles. Come on, Charles.
God, we just got a lot of sellers there, don't we?
So many sellers. Well, especially because everybody's thinking about the triple top, which is why I think it is probably going to push through this time because it's the opposite of what everyone thinks. Finicky thing. What time is it? Oh, we got 10:40 candles coming in 30 seconds here.
Oh, I just want to be long.
Oh, I know, man. Me too. Me too. Me too. I keep teasing myself with it. I agree. Here's our new 5-minute candle in 5 seconds. Oof, I don't know. It's starting to kind of look a little weak again. Still 30 more seconds till a new one. Oh, you're already in.
I tried right there, right at the 9, and then I bought another one when it hit the 21.
Yep. Looking good. I like that wick. 1 second left.
Oh, that wasn't good. That was better. I mean, I looked at ES. It was trying to turn green. It's clearly red now. NVIDIA was trying to push up. And then everything just changed colors.
I still don't hate it, though. I still want to be in there with you, if I'm being honest. I'm just... Again, I have this terrible habit of losing money on my very last trade. There we go. Let's see. Pretty good wicks.
I'm going to sell a couple there. Make my average look way better.
Ugh. Just collecting more shorts to squeeze.
Yeah, for sure. That's what I was banking on, I hope.
Oh, shit. Whoops. We just heartbeat clicked it. I really didn't mean to do that, if I'm being honest. Oh, I hate that I just did that accidentally. I was hovering it, and you know, sometimes you just like your finger is on it, and your heartbeat just kind of like clicks, and you're like, fuck.
Right. Of course, we were just assuming.
Mm-hmm.
That's what Charles says. I think we're assuming we're right, Charles.
All right. I gotta leave, gang. I did my 2-second trade. I'm out. I'm done. I gotta go.
Charles literally types hold. And you go, I'm done,
hold is on. Hold. Just lightning fast, baby. You know? It's like that.
Look at that.
Oh,
look at
man.
that. Look at that, Charles.
God damn
Push,
it.
Charles.
Come
Push,
on, Charles. Come on,
Roll
Charles.
those candles.
Come on, Charles.
Boom. All right. I took one off. I got one left.
Charles! Charles, why didn't you tell me to hold it? You told me to sell. You told me to get out because we're not going anywhere. 980. I got out of 980. Yeah, we just ripped to the friggin' 25,000s. Hell yeah, Charles. Hell yeah. What are we up on the day? I'm up 126 on the day, so I'm pretty darn happy with that. I do gotta fly out of here though because I'm gonna be late for my dad, which I cannot do.
All
But
right,
I love you guys to
then.
death, man. Great Friday. A lot of stinking fun this week. Yeah, I mean, that's it. Just a lot of
175.20.
stinking fun. Charles, Miguel, everybody. Love you guys all to death.
thanks,
Thank you so
guys.
much for hanging out with us. Yeah, what are you
Appreciate
up, man?
y'all.
What are you? Where are you at?
175.20.
Yeah, we
bought it
did
back.
it. Green on the day. Green on the day. Green on the day.
Look at that. 25.05.
Not bad. Not bad. And 100% too.
Hey, thanks, guys.
100%. All right, yeah, love you guys to death. I gotta run. We'll see you bright and early, 9:25 on Monday. Maybe 9:20. We'll try to shoot for 9:20 so we can give you a little bit of a market first.
Stay strong, Charles. I know you can do it.
All
You're
right,
there.
get it, Charles. Get it, Charles. I'm short 600 from passing. Nice, dude. Hell yeah,
And Miguel's
Miguel.
green too. That a baby Miguel.
Woo! 600 from passing that 150K account. Charles, walk away. Don't do it today. Wait until Monday, and then we'll all celebrate together.
Yeah.
All right, love you, gang. I gotta go.